Hi, welcome back to We Tried It. I'm Jessica, and today I want to tell you about the Aera Smart Diffuser. This cool new device really caught my eye because we love candles in our house. We are always burning a candle. Capri Blue is some of my favorite candles. It's actually from their holiday collection. It's the spiced cider candle, but it smells delicious, very pretty. But the only problem with candles is this has a burn time of 80 hours. And so for $30, a burn time of 80 hours, if you're home a lot like us, we go through them in about a week. And so it's a very expensive habit to burn candles. And so we were kind of looking for another way to make our house smell yummy without the huge expense of buying candles all the time. And here enters the Aera Smart Diffuser. You can actually get both a Smart Diffuser and a Touch Diffuser. The difference is that the Smart Diffuser actually connects to an app on your phone. And so you can control it both from the buttons on the top here and then also from the app on your phone. You actually take one of these little fragrance pods here. This one's hot toddy, and you can actually switch them out really easily. So if we had another one, we could just plug that one in. We actually just ordered sugar and spice, which is supposed to be apple scented, which sounded really yummy. But you just push it in like this, give it a little bit of a push, and it goes down. And then to turn it on or off, you can just push this button like this. I will be quiet for a second though and let you listen to the noise. That's one of the things that we don't love about the Smart Diffuser. Can you hear that? It almost sounds like your dishwasher is running. Maybe a little bit quieter than your dishwasher running. But it does emit some white noise. So if you're a person who is absolutely driven crazy by white noise, device might not be for you. But if you can overlook that, and usually we have our two toddlers running around the house and it is very noisy, and that is the absolute least of our worries, is that little hum in the background. So if you can overlook that, it is a great diffuser. Okay, so the Aera Smart Diffuser comes with an app, and the app allows you to personalize both your playtime, so you can actually select when you want it to turn on, when you want it to turn off, and the intensities. So the cool thing about that is we actually have it set to a level 10 out of 10 for a few minutes before we typically get up in the morning. And then when we get up, it goes down to a level 3. And so it kind of just bursts out like a nice scent in the morning, and when you come down, the kitchen smells super yummy. But then you can decrease it so that during the day, it's at more of just like a level that is comfortable for remaining, I guess, for the rest of the day. And so this is actually how that works. You can, click plus or minus for the different intensity levels, and you can add a whole schedule in here. You can also put different Aera diffusers in the same app. So if you have one in your living room, you have one in your kitchen, you have one in your office, they can all be on different schedules and different intensities, and you can even have different scents in each of them as well. So a little bit about the price on the Aera Smart Diffuser. The Aera Smart Diffuser costs $200. The Touch Diffuser costs $150. We actually have a great coupon code for you where you can take $50 off, so you basically get the Smart Diffuser upgrade for free. So that's an initial investment of $150 then for the Smart Diffuser. Then each capsule that you purchase, each one of these little guys, is $55. And for $55, you get to pick your scent, and each scent lasts 800 hours. And so that is a very, very long time. Like, I probably think I'll get sick of the scents before 800 hours. But I tried to pick some pretty, benign scents that I could probably like for 800 hours. But basically, if you look at the value proposition here, Capri Blue candle, $30 for 80 hours of burn time. versus the Aera Smart Diffuser, $150 upfront investment, and then $55 for each of the capsules. But these capsules last 800 hours. And so you're getting 10 times the scent with this capsule that you're getting out of the candle. So if you're going through, 8 candles a year, you can quickly pay this off in your investment. So that's kind of why we decided to give this a whirl, save a little bit of money on candles. I still love my candles, but maybe save them for more of a special occasion and just kind of have this running in the background on most days. The tough thing about reviewing the Aera Smart Diffuser though is that it's a scent, and scents are very personal, and you can't jump in the screen and smell what's going on over here. And it's also hard to buy a scent online because sometimes you see different fragrances listed together and you think, oh, I like those. And then maybe you receive that scent and it's nothing like you thought it would be. The Hot Toddy, I will say, is a little bit more perfumey than we thought it would be. We thought it would smell a little bit more like food, and I would say that it smells a little bit more like perfume. I typically go for more like, I think, food scented smells. It basically smells like you're cooking something really good, which I typically never am. So maybe that's why I like those ones. But there is an option to select 5 fragrances for $20 that you can actually demo in your house. You can try them out, and then you can select which scents you want from there. I would probably suggest doing that up front. We actually just ordered the sugar and spice scent, so I'm excited to see that one. But I also have a list of scents I'd like to try, like the vanilla scent, the citrus scent, and any of the aromatherapy to see if that's all it's cracked up to be. So I would suggest maybe trying the sample scents, even though it's an additional $20, because I think it could be worth it. So you don't end up with a pod for $55 and 80 hours of playtime that you are not enjoying. Overall though, we are really enjoying our Aera Smart Diffuser. We are an Alexa house, so we have Alexas in almost every room, and you can even tell Alexa to turn it on or turn it up or turn it down. So it's a fun thing to add to our smart home, and we are really enjoying it, and we do think that the value proposition is there. So I really hope that you'll give it a try. I think it would make an amazing gift this Christmas. I think either of our mothers would absolutely love to have one of these. And so if you're looking for a gift for maybe someone that's a little bit harder to buy for, someone who has everything, they probably don't have this quite yet because it's brand new, and it would be a great thing to surprise them with on Christmas. Thank you so much for tuning in to We Tried It. Don't forget to hit subscribe and also push the bell so you can be notified when we do more videos. And please let us know if there's anything that you want us to review in the comments below. Thanks so much and have a great day.